Good morning. Nice thing that I came across last evening. That means last evening means the evening that has gone, means yesterday's evening. You know what happened? Me along with one of my cousin, she has got a small kid, maybe in class 1, okay, or in class 2. I'm not so sure about it. So we have gone for a party, okay. Now what happened is, for some reason or the other, ma'am, you all can come and sit, no issues. He had to open his shoes. Now what happens generally when we are into a party? Mama and all are shoe, and by God's grace, he was wearing a shoe where he had to open the lace. It was a laced one. So he had to open his shoe and check out what's happening in his foot because something was pricking him. Okay, and he was telling his mom, I need to check my foot, something is pricking. And mom was telling no need. You know why the mom was telling no need? Can you guess? Because just imagine, with the sari and everything decked up, she was thinking she has to sit down and then tie the lace for him or untie the lace for him, whatever you say. Now very interesting what happened. The boy very conveniently, he untied his shoelace. Untied means he opened his shoelace, he opened the shoes, he checked it out. How could my boy tie the lace in the proper way? And she was even relaxed that with all the sari and decked up position, she need not sit down and tie it for him. Now when I saw that, a thought came into my mind. It happens with you all also, isn't it? When mama is all decked up and she has to sit down to make you wear your shoes or maybe make you wear your trousers. She is little bit not liking it. Then the job passes on to the papa. Mama tells, I cannot, my sari will get spoiled, it will get move here and there. So the job automatically goes to the papa. Now papa bichara what to do? With all the suit and everything, maybe he has to sit down and then tie the lace for the boy. So now what I was thinking when I came across this incident last evening, I thought that the same thing happens with you people also, right? Now, in that way, then what we can do? We can help them also. They become little bit relaxed. They don't have that in their mind, oh, I have to make my child wear the t-shirt, button the shirt, make him wear the shoe, tie the lace, prepare his breakfast. All the things goes on, no, into mama's. She keeps on thinking. And the worst part is that if for any reason mama is not well, then the job automatically passes on to papa, and papa bechara, he is in a fix. Maybe he doesn't know how to do, he doesn't know how to make breakfast. Now what to do? You also cannot help because you are a small kid. You have never done that because mama is always there to help you out in small things. So basically what I want to say is, there are few skills which we call life skills. They help us to be independent. They help us not to depend on others. Others means mommy, papa, grandmother, grandfather, cousins, anybody, uncle, aunt, anybody it may be.
Morning means there is a word between mama, papa and all of you. Because some of you don't want to come school because you know that it's really very hard to get ready. But yes, when you remember your friends, you want to come back to the school as fast as you can. And what happened in that hurry? See, first of all, we had to wear our uniform, school uniform, you know? And in uniform we have at first this. Can you tell me what is this? What we have? What I have in my hand? But uniform. But this is? Yeah. Okay. Now listen. Okay. Now, as soon as you remember your friends, you want to come to school very fast, and in hurry, what you are doing? Sometimes we can see that we miss the buttons. Actually, we mix up the buttons. Now, first of all, here is one policy that you can do. That is the trick. You can count all the buttons and the holes, so you will not mix it up. So when mama keeps all the things like this, button 1, first of all you have to open. So you have to unbutton the shirt first for wearing this. Okay, and yes, you are very much in hurry that you want to come to the school, you want to meet with your friends, you want to play in the school. I told you, first of all, you can count total how many buttons you have there and the holes. Because if you will mismatch the button and the hole, then it will not look nice. Your shirt will be messy one. Okay, so check the first one. I have not taken the first one. Second one I am just taking. So second one in the second hole. Now I am going to put the button here in this hole. Okay, so second body. But when you will wear this, it will come to your body like this. Okay, now see the third button and this third hole. I am going to button is here. You are also going to wear the shirt, and please in front of mirror, so it will be easy for you to see which button is going in which hole. Okay, so in front of the mirror shirt, after wearing the shirt, what we have to wear? Girls, necktie, shirt, then necktie, then the skirt. Okay, so see, that has put all the buttons now properly. Now what we will do? We will just pull on the collar for the necktie, so that you can put your necktie properly. So this is your tie, and you will put the hook properly, then the necktie, and you will pull down the collar again. After putting the elastic of the tie, the hook of the... For girls, what do you wear here? Okay, then comes the skirt. Okay. For that, the hooks of your skirt will be on your left side. The hook of the skirt will be on the left side. You have to remember this thing. So, we will take from the lower portion, from your legs. You will put both your legs inside the skirt. Then slowly, you will take it up. And then tuck in the shirt properly, like this. Then you will put the hook in the both sides. The hooks, for the girls, the hooks will be, listen, just listen for a while. The hooks of the skirt will be on the left side. Knee down please, but there is a little difference for the boys. How come the pants? When you wear the pants, the hooks will be in the middle portion. The hooks of the pants for the boys will be in middle. Like that, if you wear, same you will wear from the lower portion. Put your legs, one leg in one hole, other leg in other hole. There are two holes now. Two legs in two holes. Then you put up the pant. Tuck in the shirt. Then the hook will be in the middle. You have to put on the zip also. Remember to put on the zip, boys. See. Like this, the boys will put on their pants. Wearing the skirt and the pant, what you have to put? The belt now? Yes, the belt. Yes. So, you have, see, on the skirt size, you will put the hook. See, there is a hook on the back side, there is a ring, you will put the hook on the ring according to your size.
To make ourselves ready with the uniform. Now the next important thing that comes is tiffin. Now tiffin, so you cannot come to school. So tiffin is very important. So the easiest way and healthy way to make our own tiffin is bread and butter, or you make a sandwich. Now,
2 pieces of bread. You can all see 2 pieces of bread. Now what I have to do, I will take some butter with the help of a plastic knife, so that it will not very harmful for you. Okay. Now slowly you put the butter on one piece of a bread and spread it. Okay. Now spread it slowly.
Now see, the most what is more nice about making our own breakfast is you can put lots and lots of butter on it.
Yes, you can.
Mama is not there. Put lots and lots of butter. You can put cheese also if you want to have. So anything according to your wish.
Yes. Now after finishing this one, you have to put another part of this bread on it. Okay. See.
So your bread butter is ready.
So your bread butter is ready. Have to put inside in your tiffin box. Okay. See?
People, we have seen that. Any book missed out from the routine, teacher asks what happened and your answer is, Mama made the routine, I don't know. This is the most convenient answer you people give and teachers cannot say anything.
This is everyone. So it is often seen that parents arrange our books according to the routine. But we have a tendency to blame them whenever we lost any book and copy. So today we are going to learn how to arrange our school book. Okay? So first we have to place everything on the table, like our bag, school bag, water bottle, pencil box, book, note copy, and tiffin box, and our napkin. Okay? So first step, first we have to take our book and our copy according to the routine and keep it inside our bag. Like this. Repeat the same for every subject. Then check your pencil box. Inside it we have pencil, sharpener, and then eraser. Now feed inside your bag. A smaller pocket in your bag is napkin. At the side of your bag there is a smaller bag pocket where you can keep your water bottle. Now, is it very easy? Wow, that was indeed great, no? See what ma'am had shown us? Yes, what ma'am had shown us, we need to arrange the books according to the routine. Books and the notebooks goes together, okay? According to the subject. Then the tiffin is already ready. She puts it inside the first pouch. Then the water bottle, school bag. So I'm in the shoelace. That's the most toughest part. That's the most toughest part. See? And before that, we have the socks. We have the socks. Now, to make the wear sock, it's little bit difficult because I cannot show you my foot. So what we do is, and I cannot open this also. Okay, so what we do, we just take it like this. Somebody's mic is muted, not muted please. So we fold like this. We take the sock. It's little bit difficult. But anyway, we can give a try. Like this, pull it off. Ekdam chill my, wherever it goes. If it's till the knee or just below the knee, whatever. So the sock is done. Now with the shoe. Now I have a, it's how to show you people. Wait. These are my lace. Though nowadays we don't have lace, but it's very important to know how we tie the lace. Somebody, ma'am, please come and hold the shoe so that I can show it to them. I need somebody's help. Just hold it. Just hold it. So what I do, I crisscross it first and make a knot. Very easily done. Okay. Then I fold it like this. One. Okay. So these are my two folds. Now what I do, I have folded it. Now I just crisscross it again and then tie the knot like this. But be carefully so that this does not come again. So here I am done with my shoe piece. Very easy. Initially you may have little bit of difficulty, but Mama can really help you out initially. But once you got to learn it. So we are done with our shoes. So see, so easy, and Mama's will be a great boon that you have helped her in getting yourself ready. That is another very important thing. You need to keep it where it is supposed to be, isn't it? We should know how to arrange our own things. Even for toys, remember, we pay and we put it in the proper basket, we put it in the proper place. So uniform also, we got to put it in the hanger. Now how to do it? Man will show us.
The belt. Take out from the, taking out from the roof. Taking out the belt. Keep aside. Now, I'm going to take a hanger. Have a hanger in your homes. Fold the skirt. Fold the skirt properly. Then you put inside the hanger. Like this. You can keep the belt inside at the skirt, like this. Done? Now, done? It shows shirt.
Now before keeping on that hanger, we have to unbutton the shirt. And now I know that we are back to home from school. We are ready with the stories from the classroom stories, what we want to share with Mama, and we want to do it very fast. But no, if we will do it very fast, it can be spoiled. So we need to take care of the buttons and we have to unbutton one by one. Okay? Not so fast. And yes, we are done with the buttons. We unbuttoned it. Now we will keep. See, this one is our one arm of the shirt. We will keep it first. Anyone you can take first. Then both the sides in both sides of the hanger. And now my shirt is here, taking rest after whole day full work. And keep your collar also properly. Now see, it looks like the one how Papa and Mama keeps their dress in the cupboard. Have you seen, no? So now your school uniform is here. It's very nicely kept. This one also. But at morning, otherwise we have to search again. Where is my tie? I kept in the sofa or in the bag. Now see, all the things are together.
The skirt, the belt, the tie and shirt.
And it's really easy to find out all the things together. Now it's ready and you can call Mama. Mama, please keep it in the almirah. I am ready with my school uniform. Okay?
Also how to undress and put it in the proper place. So I hope from now on mamas can be little bit relaxed. We have taught how to help you out. Let's see who practices it. I will get to know it from Mama only. Bye, have a good day.